You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. The week began with a rare silence in the markets as Japan celebrated Mountain Day. This holiday has become a long-awaited respite for the country after the collapse of the Nikkei index last week, which caused a wave of turmoil in global markets. If the Tokyo Stock Exchange had been open, futures would have indicated a rise in the Nikkei by about 400 points, but this still would not have returned the index to the levels before last Monday's record drop. Most other Asian markets showed positive dynamics, especially the Taiwanese market, which grew by 2%. At the same time, futures on Wall Street remained stable. The dollar exchange rate against the yen fluctuated around the 147 mark, which indicates a temporary stabilization after the collapse of trading on the difference in interest rates using the yen. U.S. Treasury bond futures also did not undergo significant changes, and Fed interest rate futures suggest a 49% probability of a half-point rate cut in September, whereas a week ago this figure reached 100%. Fed officials, including board member Michelle Bowman, have made it clear that expectations of an extraordinary rate cut are unjustified. The market will receive additional clarity on inflation expectations on Wednesday, when data on consumer prices in the United States will be published. Core inflation is projected to fall to 3.2% year-on-year, which will be the lowest since April 2021. If the actual data turns out to be even lower, this may raise new concerns that the Fed is not in time to cut rates in a timely manner. Also, later in the week, retail sales data for July and weekly initial jobless claims will be released. And now to the crypto market, which has also taken a breather. After testing the local resistance zone located around the $63,000 level, the price rolled back lower. From the current levels, we can see both a decline to the range of $56,000 to $55,000, which can provide support, and an increase with a retest of the $63,000 mark. Given the empty publication calendar, for today, most likely, we will not see any directional, meaningful movement. Naturally, this scenario is valid if no new triggers appear in the information field. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.